So we work for the second class on stretch and compression, so V and A. So we want to make sure we're able to switch and have the physical connection but visual connection too. So as a leader, my timing will be for a sugar push here. Triple step, I want the weight transfer during the triple step. I don't want the anchor directly. So one more time here, it will be triple step, anchor, and. So we want to make sure we have the anchor here. So I want to switch with my upper body. I'm here in connection and then I will finish with my hips. I can stay 1, 2 with my upper body and with my hips. For my 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And the arms the same here. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Left. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6.
So everything's generated from this place in West Coast swing. We move this before we move our feet because it's not East Coast swing. All of our action isn't generated from the feet. It's generated from the upper body swinging. So as a follower, I'm constantly looking at this spot because this will move before the feet start to move. This will always tell me where I need to go as a follower, in opposition and encountering my partner, right? So as this happens, as soon as my leader starts to dip, I know I'm going to come into compression. Also, this hand starts to lower. So the connection starts to dip, that makes my posture start to dip. But I want you all to be careful of collapsing that. So it's not one of these, it's actually opening the chest more. And we're just dipping down in the connection just a little bit, but we're not collapsing it.
And we want to make sure we can have a constant connection, so for that we will use the hips. Here we can do a triple step just in front, it will be triple step. We want here open the feet, not too much. If we open too much with the hips, we'll go outside with the knees. So make sure you open just with the point of your foot, stay in with your knee. So here we can have the end, a placement. So I will use here this part inside of my foot to place. A, 1 transfer, come back square. Go and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, and we can continue like this. So this way we will have a constant connection here. Triple step and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6. Shoot pa urum pa ha urum pa ha. Shoot pa urum pa ha urum pa ha. And now we can do a sugar push here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ask a stretch your leader. 5 and I will try to come inside the space of my partner. I can do it if I keep my stretch, go to neutral. So 5 neutral, compression here. And I can push 6, go with my partner. 6 for my stretch. Go to 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
The leader said to be up to the left side of my body on that 6, so I'm not squared. I'm actually getting more stretch on that right side than the left side. And then thinking about that, as soon as I feel that lightness and connection on that 5, I know I cannot travel because it's a state of neutral. It's just a transition from the tension to compression to the tension again. So as we think about this, when we go through 1, 2, this compression, tension, my leader posts this here, comes into that, and then asks for compression here. We don't commit all the weight on that end, we just go to the ball of the foot, then send it back for more connection.
Leader, make sure you move your upper body, not just your arm. If we move here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, and we try to move just the arm, we disconnect from the body. So make sure here, 1, 2, 3, and I move my upper body to find my stretch and not my arm. My upper body and then my arm will follow. But the other time, this part first and then my arm will follow, and never my arm first. So here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 for the 1, 2, boom, boom.
Thank you, Thibaut Nicole Ramirez. www.thibautandnicole.com. Video by Tim Wilson. Passion for West Coast Swing. YouTube at Passion for WCS.